Hello my crafty friends, it's Nikki here again and welcome back to my channel. What am I doing with all this stuff, you ask? I am making card kits. Let me show you. What I did for my Sunday school kids, now that we're doing Zoom sessions, is that I mailed everybody a card kit for Easter, and I cut it up so they had to put it together, and then they applied little embellishments and things, and we had a contest to see who made the best card. So anyway, I'm doing something similar this time. I'm making card kits, but instead it's sympathy cards for our pastor. Our pastor just recently lost his father. It's kind of a bad situation all the way around. And so I wanted each of the kids to be able to send him a sympathy card. I think that will be very, very special. So here's what I have so far. I'm putting everything in a box. That way I don't lose it. I have a matted piece that I embossed. I have the inside that I'm going to put different sentiments on. This particular kit, the sentiment came from Hero Arts. I'm not sure where I got the doves. It's a set of 3 clings. And then this little stamp here just came from a Ubiquitous set. I don't know specifics, but I have stamped different things. This is from a Stampin set. This is from that same Hero Art stamp set. And on the front, this beautiful flower is from Stampin' Up. So I have the inside stamped. They're going to be creating the outside. So these are all the stamps I used. The prayer and the cross come from a Stampin' die kit from Hero Arts. The prayers, the couple of different crosses, and then the prayers, which I don't know. There it is. The prayers die. Here's an example of that on a card I made to send personally to somebody. But anyway, so I'm using all the different colors. I've got Flirty Flamingo, I've got Blushing Bride, I've got Garden Green, I've got Rich Raspberry, and I've got my VersaFine Claire in red. And here's the dove stamp. I'm using Morning Mist VersaFine Claire for that. And here's my flower stamp. Let me show you an example of the plan. If I can find a matching set here. There we go. Okay. Here's the card itself. Okay. They're going to be gluing on the mat. Then gluing this. The mat is 5 1/4 by 4, and so this is 4 3/4 by 3 1/2. And then of course they're at liberty to put, oh, that one's bad. They're at liberty to put these pieces wherever they want. Let me find a piece here. And they're not going to pop them up because they probably don't have foam tape. But they're going to glue these straight down. And that's going to be their card. So I'm really excited about this, and I hope they are too. And I think it's a great way to show support for our pastor. So thank you for joining me. And we will see you next video. Stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.